Good morning, students. Welcome in today's class. Our today's topic is reducing environmental pollution. In order to live in a clean environment, we need to reduce pollution. We need to follow certain rules and bring changes in the environment. Some of the measures which we can take at our level to reduce this environmental pollution are planting more trees. Trees provides us oxygen and it makes the environment clean. Then next, using electric vehicles or promoting the use of CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas vehicles. This makes them give out less harmful gases. इन व्हीकल से जो गैसेस होती हैं वो इतनी हार्मफुल नहीं होती हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू द पेट्रोल डीजल. सो वी शुड प्रमोट, हमें इनका ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए. एंड प्लांट they also reduce soil erosion. Then they reduce air pollution, land pollution becomes less. So by planting more trees and by using electricity vehicles or using CNG and LPG vehicles. Using environment friendly vehicles. Using those vehicles which do not pollute the environment like bicycle, rickshaw. All these are such kind of vehicles which do not need any kind of petrol or any kind of fuel to run. So we should avoid using, or for short distance we can use bicycle or rickshaw, or we can walk. Using alternate sources of energy. Alternate sources like solar panel. Nowadays solar panels are very popular. They use the solar energy, the energy which is given by the sun, and this energy is utilized for lighting, for boiling water and many other areas. Using public transport instead of using individual vehicle. आप जितने ज़्यादा vehicles यूज़ करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा pollution बढ़ेगा. So instead of using your own vehicle or private vehicle, you can pool or you can use public transport. This will reduce the amount of harmful gases released by the vehicle in the environment. By shifting the industries and factories to remote areas or in the outskirts. Now what happens, these industries or these factories, they release liquid waste and they release many harmful gases. That's why these industries must be shifted out in outskirts or away from the residential area, सो दैट आपका जो एनवायरनमेंट है, आपके आसपास की जो सराउंडिंग है वो साफ रह सके. रिलीजियस रिचुअल शुड नॉट बी अलाउड इन रिवर्स. विसर्जन, ये इसकी वजह से, और इमर्शन ऑफ एशेस ऑफ डेड बॉडीज इन द वाटर in the rivers, this increases the water pollution and it affects the aquatic life also, aquatic animals like fish. So we should stop doing such kind of religious rituals because it is also one of the reason of pollution. By start using reusable bags. Stop wasting so many bags when you go to the store. Instead of using new bag every time or purchasing bags every time, you can use your old bags to carry your goods. recycle anything you can. Biodegradable waste can be recycled and it can be used in the field by the farmers. हम बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट को रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ थ्रोइंग बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट इन द ओपन एरियाज, बिकॉज इट विल रिजल्ट इन spread of many diseases through mosquitoes, so we should recycle those biodegradable waste by properly disposing of it in a compost pit or in sanitary landfill. We have already studied that burning of garbage also produces various harmful gases, and throwing the garbage in the open area also results in various diseases. So the best way is to recycle by using compost pit or sanitary landfill. Then you can dispose of your trash properly. Instead of throwing your garbage here and there, you can use dustbins. Clean the wastewater from your homes and factories before letting it flow into water bodies. So these are some steps which you can use or which you can do at your level to reduce the environmental pollution, because this environmental pollution is affecting our lives in various ways. Water pollution, air pollution and land pollution. All the three types of pollution are affecting our lives and the lives of the animal in our environment. So there is a need to take steps to reduce the environmental pollution. I hope the measures are clear to you all. Let's have a quick recap of what we studied in this chapter. Nature has provided us with many things, many resources. Some of them are inexhaustible and some are exhaustible. But we have to take care of both type of resources, whether it is exhaustible or inexhaustible. Mixing of harmful things and the useful ones causes pollution. जब हम किसी भी यूज़फुल चीज़ के साथ कुछ अनवांटेड और हार्मफुल चीज़ों को मिक्स करते हैं, it results in pollution. Man's actions are responsible for pollution. Whatever activities we do, जो हम करते हैं उसकी वजह से pollution होता है. Air, water and land are three kinds of pollution. We studied air pollution, water pollution and land pollution in this chapter. Industrial waste in rivers, bathing, washing, sewage, water, etc. causes water pollution. Throwing garbage in the open, deforestation, soil erosion, use of insecticides, pesticides causes land pollution. Burning of garbage, factory, smoke emitted from vehicles, fires, furnaces causes air pollution. Now we can reduce these three types of pollution by taking some simple steps. By planting more trees, using less plastic bags, shifting industries and factories in remote areas or area in the outskirts. So these are the simple steps or ways by which we can help in reducing environmental pollution. I hope chapter is clear to you all. We will move to the back exercise in our next class. Thank you everyone.